Struggling to update your address or phone number on your BrioDirect account? You know the feeling. You've just moved, changed your cell provider, or even updated your name, and now you have the minor but important task of updating that crucial information with your bank. Having your current details on file is vital. It ensures you receive important communications, like statements, security alerts, and tax documents, without a hitch. If your information is out of date, you could easily miss something important or, worse, face issues when trying to verify your identity. But when you bank with a streamlined, digital-focused institution like BrioDirect, the process for updating personal details might not be what you expect from a traditional bank. So, how do you actually change your personal information, like your name or address, on your BrioDirect account? The most direct and secure way to handle major personal information changes, such as updating your name or physical address, is to contact BrioDirect's client service team directly. This process ensures the highest level of security and verification for sensitive data changes. Here's exactly what you need to do. First, make sure you have your account details handy. Second, call the BrioDirect client service number. You can find this number on their official website, typically on the Contact Us or FAQ page. For most personal profile changes, like an address change, a customer service representative is required to assist you to ensure proper verification. The representative will guide you through a secure process to confirm your identity and collect the new information. Depending on the type of change, they may also inform you if any supporting documentation is required, for example, a marriage certificate for a name change, or a utility bill for a new address. Once the representative has verified your identity and confirmed the updated details, they will process the change in their system. They should be able to confirm when the new information will be effective. Now, a quick note, for less sensitive profile changes that relate to your online banking profile, things like your password or username, you can often update those directly within the secure BrioDirect online banking portal or the mobile banking app. Just look for the Profile or Settings section. For everything else, the phone call is your best route. It's the most secure way to update your official bank records and ensure everything stays accurate. Don't put off updating your information. Keeping your details current is one of the easiest ways to protect your funds and ensure smooth communication with BrioDirect. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.